and cabbage. Today I am reading a book called Can You See? Can you see all of the whales? Can you see all of the dolphins? Can you see all of the turtles? Can you see all of the seahorses? Can you see all of the stingrays? Can you see all of the sharks? Can you see all of the lobsters? Can you see all of the crabs?